Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the channel on Auto Addiction. Today we're going to be working on the van a little bit. I want to do a quick video and say this coronavirus kind of sucks. Hope everybody's staying healthy, and I want to show you what we got working on the van. Just got it washed up over here at Detail. So it's a Friday afternoon, right when they're about to shut everything down. So work at a dealership. Hopefully we don't get shut down. If you're in the food industry, something like that, sorry for you guys. Being out of work really sucks, and hopefully we can brighten your spirits a little bit and show you guys a little bit on the van project, what we got going on. So let's take a look at that real quick. And again, if you guys got any questions on the van, just hit me up, and hope everybody stays healthy during this time of so-called crisis or whatever in our country. I know it's not to be taken lightly when people get sick and die. Just hope everybody can survive the financial storm of being out of work and stuff. So we're gonna dive into the van and then show you what's up. I'm working on the stereo system on the van, trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with it. And I guess it'd be better if I unlock the door. I can open it up and show you guys what I got going on. So if you guys have been following my van project for a while, you'll remember back I had two 8-inch sundown audios underneath the seat. Well, downfall is they slid around a little bit, and then from moving the seat back and forth, my kids moving the seat, it ripped the cones on the sundown audios and broke them. So kind of really sucks. I still got my amp mounted up in the front. Pop this, show you guys. So if you haven't been following me for a while, so my amp's down here underneath the front seat. Fits perfect. It's a high phonics amp. Fits perfect underneath the front seat. Keeps it nice and clean. So then I was thinking, what am I gonna do for subs now? So kind of going back and forth. I bought a pair of subs for my truck, for my F-250, and then I didn't really like the way they sounded in the back seat, so I was like, well, maybe I can use them in here. So I was kind of playing around a little bit last night, and if you guys see my van on the Facebook page, you already know what I did back here, but I wanted to clue you guys in. So flip this around. So inside the rear of these vans, you got these compartments that are the Mark III compartments on both sides. And I was thinking, well, these boxes look about the same size. What if I take these out? And then I'll see kind of what I got to work with. So there's 6 screws that hold these in. They come out pretty easy. If you got the factory compressor, it just unplugs. I had a bunch of insulation in there, so that's what all this mess is. I sprayed a bunch of foam insulation in between the body panels because I was getting a noise. Alright, so here's what I got. So I got, these are 2 10-inch kickers. I'll put a description of which kickers they are below. They're truck boxes. Dude, let me just tell you, they fit in here like a glove where those holes were in the side. So we're gonna reverse these because they're mirrored. They're not mirrored or anything. They're the same exact box. So fit perfectly on both sides. So my subs are gonna be mounted in the back like this. And I still got to clean up the wiring and stuff down the bottom, run it behind the panel. But I just wanted to show you guys how awesome that is, having the subs down, And the cool thing about it is your bed functionality. I can still kick the bed down all the way. So, and it doesn't hit the speakers. So the armrests, you just got to be careful. You don't want to. This one is just a floater, so you don't have to worry about that. And then this one I'll probably move down to here, so that way the radiator speaker's up top. But yeah, they sound pretty good, and frees up the room, so I can still put stuff on the floor back here. Still have use of the bed, so versatility. It works really well. And then hopefully this weekend or next week, since I'll be out of work more than likely, we'll start working on some of this other stuff inside. But I just wanted to do a video of the speaker install on this because I think it's pretty sweet. Get a video out to y'all So if you guys are looking for some ideas, you got them. Pull this thing over to the shop and probably take down the train horn since they're all broken. So let's ride over there. We about to find out. Got my man Matt working on some amp racks for his F-150 Platinum project. Looking pretty sweet. So he had this amp rack made for it, so looks pretty awesome.
Pratt CNC.
2 racks, and you guys are in the East Florida area. Pratt CNC over here in Ticeville made it. I'll put a link in the description down below, and routed all the edges and stuff. It's made out of, like, what is this, 3/4 inch?
Yeah, it's 3/4 inch foam back PVC. So they say it's got the same consistency, strength as 3/4 inch MDF, but none of the downfall of the rot with water. They say it's a better insulation, and it's a lot lighter.
So he's working on wiring up the F-150. We'll probably do a full video on that, but since I was talking about audio on the van, I figured I'd show you guys what he's working on this truck. So we're gonna get these train horns down in the van and figure out what we're gonna do with that on the E-150 project. Right, guys, so here's what I love about the train horn kit. Just disconnect my power and ground, and then horn blaster spare tire kit. I can just drop the whole thing down. You can see my horns are busted, dude. They sound like crap. So to get horn blasters and get a new kit coming. So yeah, just get my spare tire kit. Just like that. Lower it down, disconnect it, slide it out, then I can work on it, and all I gotta do is put it back together. So pretty sweet. We're gonna get this thing pulled out, throw it in the back here, and probably go home for the day. Alright guys, that's a wrap. No more train horns. Pretty sad, but they started sounding like crap, so. Alright guys, hit that thumbs up button. Please subscribe to the channel. We're gonna head in the office right here and then finish out the video. Alright guys, so that's about to wrap up this video. Please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. Heading out of work, y'all stay healthy. Hope you guys enjoy the videos during this time of need to be hunkered down in our houses for who knows how long if you're out in California until further notice. But hope everybody doesn't get the virus, and I hope everybody can get back to work pretty soon so we get back to living normal and have toilet paper. So appreciate y'all have a great rest of the week, and we'll see you guys on the next video.